In this video, let's learn how to fill this trigonometric table. At the very first place, you have to remember what you should write over here. It should be sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, so I just remembered in this pattern sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, and coming to the degrees over here, so you have heard about 30, 60, 90 and 45, 45, 90, isn't it? So these values are nothing else but fetched from these degrees only. See, 30, 60, 90, and in 45, 45, 90 we have 45. Okay, so we have just arranged them in an ascending order, starting from 0, then 30, then 45, then 60, then 90. So the catch over here is, just to remember the very first line, the remaining lines will automatically come up. Let's see how. So the very first line is 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. There are multiple ways to remember this, okay? If you want to remember this in another way, just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Then what? Divide everything by 4. Divide everything by 4. Then see wherever cancellation is possible, this 4 will get cancelled to give you 1. This 2 1s are 2 2s are will get cancelled. After that, take a root of all these values. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So root of 0 is 0. When you take a root of this, root of 1 is 1, root of 4 is 2. Then if you take a root of this, root of 1 is 1, root of 2 is not possible, so it will remain inside 2. Over here, root of 3 is not possible, so it will remain inside root. Root of 4 is 2. And if you see over here, you are left only with 1, so root of 1 is 1. So see, finally you are left with the same numbers over here, isn't it? Considering this takes much time, that's where I say, just remember it by heart, that is the easiest way. 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. So the very next line, cos, is just a reverse of this. So here this will become 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2, 1. Isn't it? Then coming to tan. That for tan, you have to simply divide this number by this number, this number by this number, this number by this number, and so on. You will get tan. Let's see how. 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by any number is 0. If you divide these two numbers, what will happen? Just imagine the denominators will get cancelled. In the numerator, you are left with 1. In the denominator, you are left with root 3. If you divide these two numbers, denominators will get cancelled. You will get 1 upon 1. That means 1. If you divide these two numbers, the denominators will get cancelled. In the numerator, you see root 3. In the denominator, you see 1. So nothing to write over there. And finally to this, 1 divided by 0. See, any number divided by 0 is not defined. Okay? So just remember, 0 divided by any number is 0. But any number divided by 0 is not defined.